Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mohadi English School. This is the video for students of class 2 subject science. The thought for today is believe you can and you are halfway there. So this thought tells you to be confident. If you are confident, if you believe that you can do and you can achieve anything, then you are halfway there. Means 50% of your success is based on it. If you decide that you can do it, then half of the progress, half of the problem is already solved. Rest 50% is based on your hard work. Now, the instructions I am just repeating so that you can remember and always follow. Don't tease others. Don't watch TV while eating. Take part in physical activities. Be friendly and don't fight with anyone. Do your homework regularly. Don't scribble on the walls. Throw rubbish in the dustbin. Don't accept the gift from the strangers. And in our today's video, we shall cover lesson number 10, Air Around Us. In this video, first I will give the recap of the previous video, what we have already done. Then we shall continue with the notes of the chapter. Right? So, let us begin. So, in our previous video, we had studied lesson number 10, Air Around Us. We had done Let's Remember exercise and then we had started with the notes of the lesson. Here are the keywords wind, breeze and storm that we had studied. Then we had studied the summary. The important points are highlighted. Moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze. Air contains water vapor, dust, smoke and germs, and it makes our air dirty. We must breathe in fresh and clean air. Then we had done Let's Remember exercise. True or false we had done. And then question answers were there from the Let's Remember exercise. Then we had started with the notes. Hard words we had done first. Wind, breeze, storm, water vapor, smoke, germs, dust, kite, windmill, harmful, vehicles, factories, gases, sneezes and plants. Then we had done MCQ, multiple choice questions. Which of these does not need wind to move? Whale. Which of these is not found in air? Plants. What helps to dry clothes? Wind. Which of these does not give out smoke? Bullock cart. Which of these helps to keep air clean? Plants. And which of these is not a property of air? Air can be seen. Now, we shall continue today with the next topic, true or false. Read the sentences, then decide whether it is true or false. So, let us read one by one and decide whether the sentences are true or false. Air does not contain water vapor. False, because air does contain water vapor. We know that, right? Air contains water vapor. So if you write true, it will be wrong because it is written does not contain. So it is false. Then number 2, a gentle wind is called a storm. A gentle wind is called a storm. False, because gentle wind is called breeze, not storm. So this is false. Then number 3, wind can turn the blades of windmill. So we had seen the windmill, how it rotates. The blades of the windmill keep rotating because of wind. So that's true, because wind rotates the blades of the windmill. Number 4, wind is always harmful for us. It is false. The wind will not do any harm all the time. It will do harm when it is in the form of storm. Storm is heavy wind, fierce, and that will do harm. But here it's written always. So always the wind is not harmful, because we need wind, we need air around us. So this is false. Number 5, clean air makes us ill. False. Because if the air is clean, we will not fall sick, we will not fall ill. We will be healthy if we breathe in neat and clean air, pure air. Then we will never fall sick. So here it is written clean air makes us ill. That is wrong. And so our answer should be false. Then the next thing that we have, write one word for the following. That is, give one word. Write one word for the following. Give one word exercise we have, that you have to write in the rough book. As I tell you, you know that you copy everything only in the rough book. Number 1, give the heading and then leave one line and write number 1, a gentle wind. See, this is a gentle, a soft wind, not very fierce. It is soft wind, a gentle wind that we like. That is breeze. Learn the spelling. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Number 2, wind that is strong and blows very fast. See, like this, strong and very fast wind. What is it? Storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. That is strong wind and it blows very fast. Number 3, water changes to this when it is heated. See, when the water is heated, it becomes like this. What is it? It is water vapor. W-A-T-E-R-V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. W-A-T-E-R-V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Water changes to this. Now water will become like this when it is heated. So that is water vapor. Then number 4, we get this when something burns. See this, it is burning. And what is coming out? What do we get when we burn something? Smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. That is what comes out when you burn something. What comes out? Smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Then number 5, what the kind of air that makes us ill? What is the kind of air that will make you ill? Means sick, you will not be well. Which kind of air will make you ill? Dirty air, which is not pure, which is unclean, polluted air. But here you will write dirty air. Here air is already given, right? You have to write that word, but which kind of air? Dirty. You know, dirty means not good. dirty, dirty air. dirty, dirty air makes us ill, makes us sick. Then the next topic that we have to learn today, give two examples for the following. So these are the two examples question. For each and every sentence we have to write two examples. Two examples for each. Right? The sentence will be given. Let us read and write two examples. The heading you can just write in short. And then write number 1. Things that are moved by air. Air can move some things. So we have to write two things which air can move. One is kite, you can see over here, and blades of windmill. See, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 blades of this windmill. This is called windmill. And there are 3 blades, like we have 3 blades in the fan which is rotating, which is below the roof in our house. That also has blades like this. So how will this blade move? With the help of air. And these kites will also fly in the sky. You can fly the kites, can enjoy because of air around us. So these are the examples of two things. One is kite, second is blades of windmill. The kites and the blades of windmill will move because of air. Learn the spelling. K-I-T-E, kite. Then B-L-A-D-E-S, blades of W-I-N-D-M-I-L-L, windmill. Blades of windmill. Blades of windmill. Then number 2, things that air gives shape to. Which are the things which get shape because of air? When air is filled inside that things, it gets shape. Which are the two things you can see in front of you? One is balloon and the second one is tire. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. T-Y-R-E, tire. Air is filled inside the tire and then only it will get shape and then only it can move on the road. So the vehicles move very fast. Balloon and tire are the two things which get shape because of air. Air gives shape to balloon and tire. Do learn the spelling. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. T-Y-R-E, tire. Balloon and tire. Then number 3. Things that make the air dirty. Which are the things that will make the air around you dirty, unclean, which you cannot breathe? That kind of air. What are the things? One is smoke and the second one is germs. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. G-E-R-M-S, germs. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Smoke and germs are the two things that will make the air dirty. Smoke and germs. Smoke and germs will make the air dirty. Then next we have match the following. So here column A and column B are given. You have to read both the columns and you have to match with the correct option which is given. Here it is given water vapor, smoke, germs, plants and air. Column B, clean and fresh air, has weight, heat of the sun, make us ill, vehicles and factories. So here whichever is the easiest, you can match that first. Which one do you know? You can match that first, right? So, if you see over here, clean and fresh air, from where do we get clean and fresh air, or how do we get clean and fresh air? We get clean and fresh air because of plants. When you grow more and more plants in your surroundings, you will get clean and fresh air, right? So, plants you have to match with clean and fresh air. Then, has weight. What has got weight? We have also performed some experiments. You might have watched in the previous video that something is there which has got weight. What is that? Air. Air has got weight. You know that when you fill the empty ball with air, the weight will increase. So you can say air has weight. The thing will become heavier when you feel the air inside it. Then, what's written over here? Heat of the sun. Heat of the sun. So, because of the heat of the sun, what will happen? The clothes which are wet will get dried up, right? What will come out because of the heat of the sun? Water vapor. Water vapor will come out because of the heat of the sun, and it will make the clothes dry. So, water vapor you have to match with heat of the sun. Water vapor match with heat of the sun. Then what makes us ill? Something which makes us ill. What makes us ill? The germs. Because if you don't wash your hands, or if you touch somewhere which place is infected with germs, it will make you ill. So I tell you always, wash your hands before you eat something. Germs are also present in the air. So germs make us ill. For that we should grow more plants for clean and fresh air. Then the last one which is there, smoke. It comes out from the vehicles and factories. Smoke is emitted by the vehicles which are running on the road, like motor car, bike, scooter. Factories, big factories are there, like factories manufacturing vehicles or plastic. The factories will emit smoke in a big amount, and all these things like smoke, germs, they can make us ill, seriously ill, and we have to be very, very careful that we breathe in clean and fresh air. For that, I suggest you grow more and more plants. And if you grow plant, you can just send me a picture. I will see how many are growing plants. The next topic that we have, the last thing in the lesson, question and answers. Question answers are also always asked in your exam, you know that. And in FA 4 also we have got question answers. In SA 2 also we will get the same thing. So let us learn the question answers from lesson number 10. Question number 1. What is wind? What is wind? So the simple definition of the wind is moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. The air which is moving. See how the girl's hair are moving, and all these crops are also moving. So because of wind it is moving, and even the blades are moving of this windmill. So that is because of the moving air, that is called wind. Question number 2. What happens when something burns? When something burns like this, what happens then? So some smoke is given off when something burns. The smoke is given out when something burns. Question number 3. What makes the air dirty? What makes the air dirty? How does our air get polluted? Our air gets dirty. Dust, smoke, and germs. These are the things that make our air dirty. How does it get polluted? How does our air get dirty? Because of dust, smoke, and germs. These three things make our air dirty. D-U-S-T, dust. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. These three things, right? Then, question 4 we have, why should we grow more plants? What is the need of growing more plants? Why? What is the need of growing more plants? Plants keep air fresh and clean. Plants keep our air fresh and clean. That is the work of plants. When you breathe in fresh and clean air, you will be healthy. You will not fall sick. But for that, you have to grow more plants. So, plants keep our air fresh and clean. You have to learn the spelling. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Plants keep our air fresh and clean. Now let us revise some topic which we already studied. This is the revision explanation of the topic 3 properties of air. What are we revising? 3 properties of air. So those who are not attentive, they can learn it now. What are the 3 properties of air? Number 1. Air fills space. Air fills space. Number 2. Air gives shape to the things. Air gives shape to the things. Number 3. Air has weight. Air has weight. See, the space inside the ball and the balloon is filled by the air. It is also giving the shape. First it was deflated, but now the air is filled, so this ball and this balloon have got shape. And also the weight has increased. First the weight was less, now the weight has increased. So air also has weight. These are the 3 properties of air. Then we had studied how to keep our air clean. That also we had learnt, right? How to keep it clean? So point 1 we had learnt, we must breathe in fresh and clean air. That is the first and the most important thing. Breathe in fresh and clean air. It is important for good health. If you want to keep your health good, you must breathe in fresh and clean air. We should grow more plants, right? As I told you, if you can grow a plant, you can send me a picture that you have grown a plant in your surroundings. So always try to grow more and more plants, and also tell the neighbors who are just living around you, tell them to grow plants. And plants will keep the air fresh and clean. You can breathe in fresh air, and that is only because of plants. Then we had studied a green corner, the point to be kept in the mind that we should not cut trees or pluck flowers or leaves. Never cut the trees, never pluck the flowers from the plants, that we had learnt. Then I had told you how to keep the air clean. We can keep the air clean by practicing the following things. What should you do for keeping the air clean? You should throw the waste or the garbage in the dustbin which is covered. See how this lady is throwing the wastage, the garbage in the dustbin which is covered. You should also throw the waste in the dustbin. If you are standing on the road and you see someone throwing the wrapper or the waste on the road, please tell them not to throw anything on the road. Always throw the waste in this waste bin. Never throw anything on the road, never throw anything in the compound, only in the dustbin. Then, planting more and more trees. What should you do? You should plant more and more trees every day. If you plant these small plants and if you are successful in convincing others, if you tell your neighbors to help you, then you know what? Your surroundings will be very much healthy. You can breathe in clean and fresh air. So always try to grow more and more plants. Then grow green plants near your house. See how beautiful this house looks, not because of its architecture, but see the beautiful flowers increase the beauty of the house. So, wherever your house is, doesn't matter in whichever area, you can always grow some plants, green plants, and they will make the air pure. Not only you, but also the people living with you, your family members will get benefited when you grow plants. Do not burst crackers, during Diwali and during the marriages. People burst a lot of crackers, but you should have a control on it. Just doing it once is enough, but don't burn too many crackers because it is harmful for animals and also for our environment. So you should stop doing this and use a bus and other public transport instead of private car, scooter, motorbike. Instead of using your car or your scooter, try to use the bus, which is government bus. Travel in the bus which is given by the government. So, you know what will happen? The pollution will decrease. The pollution that happens because of the cars running on the road, scooters every day. If you use it every day, at least once in a day, once in a week, at least you should use the straight transport buses so that the pollution will decrease from the private vehicles. If you follow all these instructions, I am sure our earth will become a better place to live in. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.